I'm going in the change mode. Okay. And it was 50, right? Here you can see this is the list which I'm getting. But if I go to the creation of this, okay, same material, then I will be using MM01 enter. And here I can enter the material, say 50. Okay. And when you press enter key, since it is already there in the system, okay, for this, automatically these information are populated like what is the industry and the material type. ROH is for the raw material. Okay. So either you click on this select views, or even if I press enter key, this pop-up will come. Going in the creation mode, it will give you the complete list. Here, what all views are possible, it will give me that list. Okay. For the raw material. Okay. Client level, basic data 1 and basic data 2, it should be active for all. Whatever is the material type, because this view is maintained at the client level. So if you want to create, it's a creation mode. Let me create one using 50. Using a reference, you can create it. I'm entering the material using this option. Okay. ROH. Okay. So I can create using copy as. So this is a very easy to create kind of thing. So normally because quality department, they don't create the material. Okay. It's the material management team's task to create the material. We normally just activate the QM view in that. Okay. But if okay, means I cannot externally give the material number here. Okay. So that's why it is giving me the error. External number which is not defined. Here you get the full list. Let me deselect all. Okay. First. And if I select it, only the basic data 1 and basic data 2. Okay. Here you get this organizational level data. Information is automatically populated because I have used the reference of 50. Things are already added. If I want, I can enter or edit whatever is required. In this, press enter key, it will take you to the next tab. Okay. Here it was basic data. Okay. Since I have selected only 2 views, even if there are multiple views, it is not taking me to those views, right? Only basic data one is now checked in this one. And it is just asking me whether you want to save it or not. So let me save it. So my new material number is created. The number which is coming is 108. Okay. So let's go to the change mode of this now. So it will pick the number just now created. Okay. Press enter key. Yes, ma'am. Only these 2 views we have added. By default, some other are also activated. If I go to the organizational level data, basic data 1 and basic data 2 comes at the client level, I told you. Okay. So whatever information here is maintained is applicable for all the plants. If there are 10 plants, okay, then whatever information I am maintaining here at the client level will be applicable for all the 10 plants. What will be my material number? What will be my material description? What will be the unit to be used? Because that information I am maintaining here in this. Okay. So this view is very important, basic data 1, because this is maintained at level. All the information will be applicable for all the other views. So far, quality management view is not activated. Okay, so I want to activate the quality management view. One way to activate it is I will go to the creation mode of it. 108. Press enter key. Let me deselect all and we will just activate quality management view. See, when you click on continue, this time this pop-up came. Previously it was not there. When I tried to select only basic data 1 and basic data 2, plant was not asked because that information was maintained at the client level. Now it is asking me tell me the plant. So now I will be entering in which plant. So I have selected, say, this plant. Okay. Now I will be able to maintain the information in the quality management view. Okay, so whatever fields are coming here is the responsibility of the quality management department to handle it. Okay, so this view is very important for us because here, whatever information is coming, that will be handled by us. I want the inspection to be done on this material. First of all, the view should be activated. Okay, and then I will be doing the inspection on this raw material. Right? So if I want to do the inspection, since it's a raw material, then I will be activating the inspection type 01. Okay, 01 is for the at the time of procurement, I'm doing the inspection. You have to check it. Okay, that is important. Yes. And if you want to see the detail, click on this. Here in the lower half, your information will come automatically. Okay, continue. Save it. Now again, if I go to the change mode of this material, quality management view is there. Okay, but since I'm purchasing it, means the purchasing view is important. When I will buy it, then only I will do the inspection. So you should be very clear that in which material, which view should be active. Each module is responsible for activating their own view. This is one way if I want to activate it. Another way is slashing. It's MM50 transaction. Enter. MM50 is another transaction which will allow you to activate the view. Okay, so if I want to do the inspection on any material, let's take say 64. If you want to copy it, just press Ctrl Y, go to this, drag it, okay, and then Ctrl C, okay, in SAP, because I want only these things, not the whole, okay, and then in the maintenance status, I will be selecting the view which I have to activate, and for quality management, it is Q. So you will be selecting quality management here, and then you will be telling the plant. So suppose my plant is 1710, enter. Because there is a possibility multiple plants will be there. So in which plant, first you will be telling, and here this is the material. Click on this multiple option, click on paste, or you can simply paste, then click on copy. Okay, now it is green. Okay, once you enter the information, then it will be green, and then click on execute. Okay, so now this same thing is coming. Okay, you want to activate the QMV in all these material, then you will be selecting all. Okay, now all are checked. Click on maintain material, because MM01 will give you the option to activate view only in one material. But one material. If I want to activate in multiple materials, then I will be using this option. Okay, the transaction is MM50. Right? So click on maintain material. This screen will come. Again, the QM screen is coming. You see the material number is 64. Save it. Now the material number is 65. You simply save it. Now it is 66. Save it. Now it is 69. Save it. Now all are green. Okay. And go back. Okay. Now you can check it, the same material. Check in MM02, enter. Material is 64. Enter. See, quality management is there now. If I go to this, plant was 1710, we have entered the filter for that. Okay. So in this, if it is activated, you will be able to see quality management. Okay. So now it is activated in this way.